How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. So first thing, you just make sure you have successfully logged into your WhatsApp account and your WhatsApp is absolutely up to date. So once you do that, just click on your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. So once you look at the apps option, just find out the WhatsApp application from over here. So as you can see, I have located my WhatsApp application. So simply tap on it from over here. And now all you have to do is just click on this notification option. And from here, just click on this configure in WhatsApp. And you will be seeing this option, and under this notification section just scroll all the way down until you see this ringtone and just tap on it, and you can just choose on this sound picker option, and from over here you can choose any one of these options like this, or just provided Samsung. If you are using Samsung device, it will also use help you provide all of the Samsung Galaxy provided sound as well, so you can choose any one of them and just like that set it up. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.